How to lock your Facebook profile. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily lock your Facebook profile to make it private. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you can just tap on the profile icon at the top right or the menu icon. Now just head over to your profile section. So from here, what you can do is see your profile view. So just tap on view as, and it will show you all of these profile view as a public person. So as you can see, they can see all of your posts like this. But if you lock up your profile, then they won't be able to see anything. So just tap on lock profile. So what it does is only your friends will be allowed to see your past or future posts, photos, and stories on your profile. Only your friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo, and people still will be able to see your public post that you're tagged in. You can search for them to remove your tag. Now tap on lock profile and then your profile will be locked. So as you can see, my profile has successfully been locked. So if I just tap on this and then tap on view as, it will show other people that the profile is locked. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.